out from the Warkton. What? Warkton village.
Yeah, village. See this path here?
Yeah.
I don't. That might link up somewhere to where we were just walking. See the sign says footpath?
Yeah. I want to walk to the bridges for a moment to see that.
Yeah. I won't really go along, but it goes. See that? It's gonna join up somewhere.
Nah, jembatannya kecil, jadi kalau mau jalan gantian mobilnya. Look at that flowers. It's wildflower.
Low. Remember when it was really raining? It was, the road was flooded there.
Yeah. No fish.
No fish, I don't think. No fish. Up to you. Which way we go?
Yeah, we try. You want
Look in there a little bit. Just see what's in there. I don't know where it goes. This carries on, and it's the same one that is along the bottom
near
where we live.
Yeah.
And it goes into the big park.
Dable Road.
Yeah, we go over this one, and we've walked where the snowmen were. That one that's along there, this is the same.
Oh look, that fish, small fish. Look, see that?
No, I can't see it.
Yeah, look, that moving. Look.
Oh yeah, I see him. Yeah, he's quite big actually, isn't it? Because it goes into this, runs into the big lake in the park.